Hey guys, Vintage J here, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 Mcfarlane Toy Stage building kit. So this is from Fnaf 2, the stage where all the toy animatronics are on. So we got Toy Freddy, Toy Chica, and Toy Bonnie. So we got the stage right here. There's some balloons, there's a background. We got some posters in the back, and we got a claw machine, and then we got a door. So here's the door. So the claw machine actually comes with a Freddy plush as well, so if you want to see the play function, here it is. So you pull something and there comes Freddy. Well, yeah, this is a really cool set, and I don't think they make it anymore, sadly, but it comes with cool figures, and it has a cool build as well. So let me show you the figures. So here's Toy Bonnie, Toy Freddy, and Toy Chica. These are all exclusive because the other sets that these come in, the Toy Bonnie and the Toy Freddy and Toy Chica, are different in the other sets. The Toy Freddy that comes in the party room comes with normal eyes, and the Toy Bonnie doesn't have a guitar, and the Toy Chica doesn't have her beak or eyes or cupcake. So yeah, this is the Toy Stage. It's a really cool set, and I really recommend, if you like McFarlane, to get this set. Bye guys.